Division of polynomials. Example 4y cube plus 5y square plus 6y whole divided by 2y. Answer: make separate divides. 4y cube divided by 2y plus 5y square divided by 2y plus 6y divided by 2y. Here 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Y cube is there, 1y cancel, 2 remains. Here y square is there, 1y cancel. Here 2 1s are 2, 3s are 6, y cancel. What remains here? 2y square plus 5 by 2y plus 3 is answer.